let me tell y'all something real quick. Now, earlier in one of my other videos, I had mentioned that I had overspray on my CL55. This is the wide body CL55. Listen, guys, if you're going to be painting near your car, make sure you cover it up or paint away from your car, but at least protect your car, protect your paint. So I'm at the point now where I have to use this. This is the Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit. This stuff is excellent. It does come with 2 of these clay bars, and this is the clay bar. So you need it, you know, make it a little bit wider so it covers more area with each pass. Now, this blue stuff is what I have. This is the Overspray. It's hard to see it, but you can hear it. Now, I already did this part, very smooth. It gets rough right here. And you can always tell when you rub something across it, there's a noticeable difference in the sound. It's very coarse, or there's just stuff on there. When it's smooth, you hear nothing. When you when you have overspray, you can feel it and you can hear it. There is a distinct sound. All right, so this is what you have to do first. Real quick, this is gonna be a quick video. Sorry, the tones of the exhaust might drown out some of what I'm saying, but this is the spray, the quick detailer, mist and wipe. It comes with this, okay? Make sure that you do not drop this on the floor, on the ground, because you don't want to get any contaminants into this thing. So hold on to this for dear life. Now, it's simple. You spray, a little small area at a time. You take this, like I said, you need it, and you stay where it's wet. Do not deviate from where it's wet. You need that slick, wet surface in order to grab the contaminants, in my case, the overspray from the clear coat, from the paint. Where it's dry, just don't even touch it. Just get over there when you get over there, when you can spray and protect the paint. Make sure it's wet. It's better to do this out of direct light. In my case, it is outside, but it's not hot, it's cool, so this water is not evaporating. This spray is not evaporating. But you can work in smaller sections. I'm just doing this for the video, covering a bunch of area real quick. Okay, and you can see exactly what I have here. This is overspray. You need, first of all, don't do what I did. Cover your car or spray away from your car. But after you get finished with this stuff, throw some good quality wax on here and protect your paint. You might even want to do a high polish passing, maybe a buffing, use a compound. But what I'm doing here is removing this overspray. All right, so I'm just doing a little section right now at a time just for the purpose of the video, but I missed a couple spots over here, so I have to go back and do that. But really, I have overspray over this whole, it's usually like it settles across the top, so the top of each surface has overspray. A little bit here, but not much. So I'll have to go over everything a little bit at a time, and then I'll probably hit it with some polishing compound and then wax. So learn from my mistake. Do not paint near your car. Oh yeah, by the way, it's not just this car, but the silver one in the garage. I have overspray all over that one too. They both were pulled, well, this one was pulled in, the CL was pulled in, the SL was pulled out, so it's more on the front on that one. That's when I was doing my rear deck on the SEC. I was using that blue paint, so that's why I have blue overspray. So lesson learned. This is some good stuff right here. I'm sure there's other brands, but this is the brand that I choose, and it works, and that's all that matters. Okay, Meguiar's saves the day.